Hi everyone, I am Divya Bharti, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. We can discuss about the subject name as Principles of Management from the Unit 3. We can discuss this. The centralization and decentralization. Centralization, it is the process of transferring and assigning decision making authority to higher levels of the organization. So the control of top managers is relatively broad and there are relatively many tiers in the organization. So the characteristics is top-down control, leadership, vision and strategy. Decision making strong, authentication, visionary and charismatic. So organization change shaped by top vision of leader. The advantages of centralization provide power and prestige for manager. And disadvantages of centralization is neglected functions for mid-level and less motivated beside personnel. Decentralization is the process of transferring and assigning decision-making authority to lower levels of an organizational hierarchy. The span of control of top management is relatively small and there are relatively few tiers in the organization because there is more autonomy in the lower rank. Characteristics: philosophy or emphasis on bottom-up political, cultural and learning dynamics. Decision making democratic, participative and detailed. Organizational change emerging from interactions, organization dynamics. Execution evolutionary, emergent and flexible to adapt to minor issues and changes. Participation, accountability, low risk of not intervented here behavior. Three forms of decentralization: delegation and devolution. Decentralization, the weakest form of decentralization, and decision making authority is redistributed lower or regional levels of the same cultural organization. So the next topic is staffing. This involves filling the positions needed in the organization structure by appointing competent and qualified persons. The staffing process encompasses manpower planning, recruitment, selection and training. The manpower planning, the recruitment, then selection and training and development. The next topic is recruitment process. So recruitment is the process of finding and attempting to attract job candidates who are all capable of effectively filling job vacancies. The recruitment process consists of following steps: identification of vacancy, preparation of job descriptions and job specification, selection of sources advertising vacancy, managing the response. So the recruitment process is identification of the vacancy, the preparation of job description and job specification, selection of sources, addressing the vacancy, so job analysis. Job analysis is the process of describing and recording aspects of jobs and specifying the skills and other outputs of job analysis or job description and job specification. Job analysis is the important process of describing and recording the aspects of jobs and specifying the skills and other requests is necessary to perform the job. So the outputs of job analysis are the job description and job specification. Centralization is nothing but selection process is in the initial screening, preliminary interview, filling application form, personal interview, reference check, background verification, final interview, physical examination and job offer. Selecting a suitable candidate can be the biggest challenge for any organization. The success of an organization largely depends on its staff. Selection of the right candidate Selection of the right candidate builds the foundation of any organization success and helps in reducing foundation of an organization success and helps in reducing turnovers. Though there is a no for selection procedures that will ensure a low turnover and high profits. The following steps generally make up the selection process.